Good morning everyone. So today we will start chapter number 4, division. First of all, we will discuss some division facts, right? As you already studied in class 3 that what is division? If we divide a larger number with a smaller number, we get a question, right? We get a question and a remainder. So first of all, we will discuss some division facts. First of all, open your books, page number 55. As you will see, there are 3 division facts here. First is, when a number is divided by 1, the question is the number itself. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 1 के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं, the question is the number itself. इसका मतलब क्या है? If we have 5 books and अगर हमने उन 5 बुक्स को एक ही स्टूडेंट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, तो एक स्टूडेंट को कितनी बुक्स मिलेंगी? 5. So if we divide any number with 1, we get the number itself, right? Second is, if a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. अगर हम एक नंबर को वही सेम नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करें, we will get the quotient 1. Third is, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. अगर हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं, what will we get? 0 as quotient, right? Now open your books, page number 56, and this exercise you have to solve on your fair notebooks. Write down chapter 4 on new page, exercise 4.1 on next page. Write down date, day, draw left side margin line. So A part is, find the quotient and the remainder if any. First part is 8448 divided by 4. So हमने 8448 को किसके साथ डिवाइड करना है? 4 के साथ. So let's start. 4 here. 4 is the divisor, right? What is 4? 4 is divisor. So let's start. First of all, we have digit 8. Now check the table of 4. 4 के टेबल पे 8 कहाँ पे आता है? 2 पे. Write down 2 here. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now 4. Now what we have now? 4. 4 के टेबल पे 4 कहाँ पे आता है? 1 पे. Again we get 0. Take this 4 down. 4 के टेबल पे 4 again on 1. Again we get 0 here. Take 8. Now 4 के टेबल पे 8 is on 2. So we get the remainder 0. What is our question? Find the quotient and the remainder. So what is the quotient here? हमारे पास डिवाइड करके जो आंसर आएगा, this one, that is our quotient part. So what is quotient here? 2112. And what is remainder? The leftover part after solving the question is remainder. So what is remainder here? 0. Clear everyone? First of all, if there any need, you have to write the table of the divisor. Then check all the digits single by single. Then you get on the right side, that is your quotient part. The digit left over, that is your remainder part. Clear? Now the third part, 7384 divided by 6. You have to solve all the parts, right? Second part try by yourself. Now I am doing the third part. So now what we have? Divisor here 6. So we will check the table of 6. First of all, what we have? 7. Write down the table of 6 here. Now 7 is greater than 6 but less than 12. So what we write here? 7, 6, because the smallest number that we get and that is less than 7 is 6, and 6 पे table पे 6 is on 1. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Take down 13. Take down 3 and what we got? 13. Now 6 2s are 12. So write down 12 here. हमने 18 क्यों नहीं लिखा? Because 18 is greater 13. And what we get here? The number that is smaller than 13, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. 18. Now 6 के टेबल पे 18 चेक करो. Yes. 6 के टेबल पे 18 is on 3. First of all 6 के टेबल पे 12 कहाँ पे आ रहा था? 2 पे. Write down 2 here. And now what we got? 18. 18 कहाँ पे आ रहा है? 3 पे. Right? Now this is 0. What we are left with? 4. Take down 4 here. Now अभी 4 6 से भी छोटा है. Right? 4 is smaller than 6. So what we do is, अगर हम ऐसे लिख दें 6 multiply 0, that is 0. So write down 0 here because 4 is smaller than 6. So what will we take? 0. And 6 के टेबल पे 0 कहाँ पे आता है? On 0. ठीक है? किसी के भी टेबल पे 0 कहाँ पे आता है? On the number itself. जैसे मैं आपको पूछूं कि 8 के टेबल पे 0 कहाँ पे आता है? On 0. Right? So what we got in the end? 4. So the question here is 1, 2, 3, 0 and the remainder here is 4. Clear everyone? Now the seventh part is 9543 divided by 3. So what we have the divisor here? 3. Now start from the first digit. 3 के टेबल पे 9 आता है कहाँ पर? 3 पे. So 3 3s are 9. Right? So take the second digit, that is 5. Now on the table of 3, 5 से less वाला number is 3. So 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Take down 4 here. 3 के टेबल पे 24 is on 8. ठीक है? 24 minus 24 is 0. Take down 3. 3 के टेबल पे 3 is on 1. So the question here is 3181 and the remainder here is 0 because at the end we are left with 0. Now 11th part is 5120 divided by 7. So now first digit is 5, that is already smaller than the divisor. अगर हमारे पास first digit ही divisor से small आ जाए, then what will we do? We will take the first 2 digits, right? Now the first 2 digits are 51. So the number less than 51 on the table of 7 is 49. Right? So what we write here? 49. 11 minus 9 is 2. Take down this 2. Now the number less than 22 is 21. 7 के table में 21 is on 3. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Take down 0. Now the number smaller than 10 is 7. 7 के table पे 7 is on 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. So the question here is 731 and the remainder here is 3. Clear? Now I am doing 16th part. So 16th part is 5383 divided by 6. So now take the first digit, that is 5, which is already smaller than the divisor part. So what will we do? We will take the first 2 digits and on the table of 6, what we get here? 48. That is on 6 8s are 48, right? Now 13 minus 8 is 5. Take down 8. Now 6 9s are 54. On which 9, right? Now 8 minus 4 is 4. Take down 3. 42 on 7. 6 7s are 42. What we are left with? 1. So the question here is 897 and the remainder is 1. You have to solve the rest parts by yourself, right? I am doing the only 5 parts. You have to solve all the rest parts on your fair notebook. Clear? Now the B part is divide and check your answer. A part में हमने क्या करा था? हमने सिर्फ divide करके quotient and remainder की value बताई थी. What we have to do in this? We have to 28, 5 5s are 25. What we got? 35. 5 7s are 35. Now at the end we are left with 6 and 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So हमारे पास रिमाइंडर क्या आ गया? 1. Now to check this question, the formula is that your dividend. What is dividend? This is dividend. This will be equal to quotient, this part, multiply divisor, this part plus remainder. आपके डिविडेंड की वैल्यू, ये वाली वैल्यू, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके प्लस रिमाइंडर ऐड करके इसके इक्वल आनी चाहिए. क्लियर? सो टू चेक first is quotient multiply divisor. What is our quotient is 1571. Now multiply, put the sign of multiplication. What is divisor? Divisor there is 5, जिसके साथ हमने डिवाइड करा. 1571 मल्टीप्लाई 5 प्लस रिमाइंडर. हमारे पास रिमाइंडर कितना आया था? 1. राइट डाउन 1 here. Now multiply 1571 multiply 5. 1571 multiply 5. What we got? 7855 plus 1 plus 1. So 7855 plus 1 is 7856, which is the value of dividend. So it means our answer is correct. This is just the method to check the division, that either it is right or wrong. Clear everyone? Now second, third and fourth part you have to do by yourself. Now the fifth part is 4579 divided by 9. So write down 9 के टेबल पे 4 is less than the divisor part. So we will take the first two digits, that are 45, and 9 5s are 45. Now when we take the number 7, now what we got is only 7, and 7 is less. Now 7 is less than 9, less than the divisor part. So we will take two digits simultaneously, and if we take two digits simultaneously, what we have to do? We have to write a single zero in the quotient part. इसमें हमने क्या करा है? 7 को भी नीचे ले लिया और 9 को भी. दो डिजिट्स इकट्ठे कैरी कर लिए. So we will write the zero here. Now 9 के टेबल पे 72 on 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now to check what we have to do, quotient multiply divisor. What is quotient here? 508. What is divisor here? 9. Plus what is remainder? 7. First of all you have to multiply 508 with 9, then add 7 to it. What you got? 4579. This is your dividend. Clear? Now the ninth part is 9032 divided by 7. First of all you have to complete the division steps as we already discussed in the previous questions. Now to check you have to do quotient, this part, multiply divisor, this 7 plus remainder, the last digit is that is left over. So 1290 multiply 7, this is 9030 plus remainder plus 2, 9032. That is your dividend part. Clear? Similarly in the 13th question, solve the division part. Now to check what is quotient, what is divisor 4 plus remainder 0. What you got? 3648. So there are total 16 parts. You have to solve minimum 10 parts on your fair notebooks for your practice. Hope the concept is clear.